From my granddad.
That's from Kimmy.
Kimmy.
Yeah.
I want to see what happens here.
Okay, go ahead.
Rabbit on me. What's happening? Now we keep dropping on my head.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. I'll start it again in a minute. Go ahead. First you open that and then I'll start the song.
I start rolling this.
What do you see there? What's that? Are those letters and numbers for the bathtub? That's for you to put in your bathtub, letters and numbers. Pretty cool, huh?
More.
Can you say thank you, Kimmy?
Thank you, Kimmy.
Very sweet. You want me to open them?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, the purple. Little purple in there.
There's purple in there? You're right, there's purple. That's the letter F. First we'll look at the letter F.
It started